everybody thinks.
प्रियन भी एक बहुत एक्साइटेड थे कि मैं पहली बार बहुत दिनों बाद बहुत सी कॉमेडीज़ बना चुके हैं वो, तो उनको लगा कि पहली बार मैं कुछ इस तरह की फिल्म बनाऊंगा जिसमें ही वॉज टू एक्साइटेड आई मीन टू से.
Priyan is the kind of director, okay, fine, he'll make an action film or whatever it is, but he doesn't let go of the drama aspect and the empathizing aspect with all the characters.
I've always thought that Priyan is better in drama and in action more than in comedies.
Priyadarshan's a very, very versatile director. And the thing is that this film is special because it really puts him in that international, slick, Ridley Scott, Quentin, whatever you call it. I feel that Priyan sir has literally outdone himself because when you look at this film, it is as good as going in for a Hollywood film.
प्रियन सर बहुत ज़्यादा पहले एक ऐसे डायरेक्टर होंगे जो इतने ज़्यादा स्पॉन्टेनियस हैं.
His entire life, his pleasure, his joy, his happiness, his sorrow is all an extension of the films he makes.
The best thing about Priyan है कि उसको खुद भी मालूम नहीं वो कितना अच्छा डायरेक्टर है. I think he is a really, you can say, a master craftsman. मैं उसको दुनिया के बड़े-बड़े डायरेक्टरों के साथ कंपेयर कर सकता हूँ. इतना बेहतरीन डायरेक्टर है वो.
It's the dream of everybody to make a film like a Hollywood film. The only one film type of movie which I have not made so far has been a thriller. So that's my attempt on Taste. I'm proud. I mean, I feel honored that they have. That's what I said. The actors had so much of trust on me.
He's very real in them, and when he makes you perform, also, he tries to make you very real. The character is very real. When he shoots action, he makes the action very real.
I used to always try to maybe put a little more fairer makeup or change the color of this or do that. He said, Sameera. He used to always tell me, Sameera, stick to what you know because you have to trust your instinct. You're a dusky, sultry girl. Stay with it. As an actor, as a performer, he's like, even as a director, I'll tell you something. He always said, put Sameera into it, which I never understood until I think it was the second film with him where I understood that that's what he was right, because the more I put of me, the more character came into the role. And I think that's the best thing Priyadarshan could have taught me.
He's the kind of director that he can have a whole bunch of stars sitting on the set, and if he has to do a shot with a junior artist, that's very important. He has no qualms about making everybody wait, and everybody honestly has so much regard and respect for him that they don't mind waiting.
बहुत ज़्यादा स्पॉन्टेनियस हैं वो. सुबह ही राइटर्स के साथ बैठ के just before the shot he can't tell writer what he wants, he can't tell actors what he wants. Just before the shot he would know. उससे पहले वो आपको नहीं बता सकते. तो you have to wait till the camera is about to roll and you'll get to know.
टेक्निकली मुझे लगता नहीं कि हिंदुस्तान में इससे बेहतरीन कोई डायरेक्टर है.
Technical perfection and the kind of what you call the visuals and the kind of execution we have done with the camera is, I can say that it's par with any of the Hollywood films.
I think this is one of the most beautifully shot film. I think one of the best Hindi films ever shot, I would say, Phases.
Everybody thinks.
To watch more, log on to www.erosnow.com.